Unscrew the screws, then remove the plate. Position the plate at the desired location and mark the hole points. Drill 6 mm, 0.23-inch holes at the marked points using a hammer drill. Insert the plastic wall anchors into the holes. Secure the ceiling light mounting plate with self-tapping screws. Align the light fixture with the plate and install it. Tighten the plate and light fixture with screws. Use a percussion drill to make 0.23-inch holes. Customizable lighting direction. Adjust the beam angle to modify the illuminated area.